Hello everyone. Good evening. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a two-star Sudoku. In additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, April the 17th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Saturday and Sunday, 15 and the 16th of April, 2023. Yes. All right, two puzzles are left. I've already solved one puzzle in this additional the letter Sudoku. We have here the tectonic with 1 star and the Sudoku with 2 stars. Let me start with the 2 star Sudoku number 6291. Yes, 6291. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 26 printed digits. It's kind of an indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have in a puzzle a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, let me see. Two. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column with 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Okay. 3. Okay. 1. 2. No 4. 4. Need a 4 here. 5. 5. Okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, no, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Oh, apologies. Bump the camera. Apologies. Alright. Let me continue. 4. 4. Right. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 9. 3, 6. No. 3. 1. Come on. 9. 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. We have a pair, I believe. Not true. Well, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And 8 in the last column and 8 in that column, so the column between, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the third row, no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 8, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes. In the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, okay. 4. Okay. 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in this row, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this column. First column, one of the missing numbers is a 4. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in the first row, no 4 there. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. So the 4 in the first column could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay. Then the next number 9, okay, next number 9, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2. 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 9, 3, and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. Here 3 in this column, no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 3. Alright. Okay. So we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright, 6. Then one number left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Okay. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 and 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 3, 4, 5. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. The 4 in the first row, the 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. We have all the 4's, and all the 4's are used. I can see. This is number 4, okay. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row. Whoa, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row. Second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 9 goes there. The 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now. In the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, in a flow, you will solve this puzzle in faster than 15 minutes. So we're pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with our puzzle. One puzzle is left, the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.